My gals just got some new Uggs for fall, and this Ugg Protector is a simple but very necessary companion for anyone who owns those sheepskin boots, slippers, or shoes. This comes in a 6-ounce spray, and it's designed to keep the Uggs looking fresh and clean for much longer. My kids wear these to dance every day in the fall, and in the winter they do run in and out of the car, and this protects them from that salt ring or the splashes. It's definitely a must-have, one of those add-ons if you want to really protect your investment. So easy to use. Literally, you just spray it on clean boots and you let it dry. It's really not complicated. That is it. I like this because it is non-toxic, and it's going to help prevent stains, prevent water spots, and the everyday wear from ruining those beautiful Uggs. Would I buy this again? Absolutely. It's a real low-cost, effective way to keep the Uggs guarded and to keep them looking new season after season. So if you're going to invest in the sheepskin footwear, definitely a smart idea to grab this bottle of Protector.